Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need project admin rights and an agreed template. Create the project now, pick Scrum or Kanban based on cadence, then set a concise project key. Once done, assign a project lead and default assignee so ownership is clear. Make sure global permissions won't block board creation. You learn why. The template defines issue types and workflow, and the key ties issues to a clear namespace. This avoids later renaming and confusion. Next, configure the heart of the project, workflows and the board. Open Workflow Editor to add statuses and transitions, then set conditions and validators so steps match your process. Once done, configure the board, columns, swim lanes, quick filters, and estimation type, because visual flow helps triage and planning. Make sure issue types map to the correct workflow and screens so users see only needed fields. This reduces errors and speeds up work intake, which is why you invest time here. Finally, finalize settings and add automation to reduce manual work. Set permissions and notification schemes so stakeholders receive useful updates, then create automation rules for common transitions, field updates, and alerts. Once done, run 3-5 sample issues through the workflow to validate screens, permissions, and automations. If something breaks, check the audit log, permission helper, and automation execution history. These pinpoint failures quickly. Make sure to adjust rules and republish workflows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.